What's up? I'm Jacob Blitzo, your Elixir mentor. This video is going to be a quick one. Shout out to Allison Primo, one of my awesome subscribers. He originally commented if I was going to have an action to close the drop-down menu by clicking outside of it. I didn't want to take a whole video to add a transparent div and add a click event to it. But then he taught me about Phoenix ClickAway, which is so much easier and quicker to add. So let's add that real fast. Let's open up our project and expand our lib directory, our Elixir Gist web, and then our components, and then our layouts. And then let's go ahead and open up our app.html.hex file. Now this is really easy. All we have to do is inside our drop-down div, we can just add it, right underneath our ID or underneath hidden. It doesn't matter. All we have to do is say phx-click-away, and then we're going to call our toggle drop-down menu just like we did from our button up here. So set this equal to, and then go ahead and put it in curly braces, and then we can call our Elixir Gist web.layouts.app, and then our toggle drop-down menu. Let's save it. And one thing worth noting that I didn't mention in the animating drop-down menu video, using JS.toggle allows us to manage click actions on the client side, so we don't have to use a server-side event, helping us keep our UI more responsive and not forcing a trip to the server and back just for UI animations. So let's go ahead and check this out and see how it works. Let's open up our terminal. Oh, first, let's make sure our Postgres Docker container is running. If it's not, press play. Mine is, so we're good to go. And now let's CD into our project. Mine is in Documents, Development, Elixir Mentor, and then Elixir Gist. And here, all we have to do is do mix space phx.server to get that up and running. And now let's open up the localhost. Localhost 4000. All right, and now when we open up our menu, like before, if we click the button, it closes. But now, if we click anywhere outside of our menu div here, it should close. This is pretty awesome. It feels a little more polished when it collapses this way. So thank you, Allison Primo. I appreciate the tip. And I love the community that's forming behind this channel. It's full of awesome people and everyone just wants to help each other learn. And I really appreciate that. And I love being a part of it. As always, if you need help or want to check out the solutions, check out the GitHub link in the description. Join my Discord server, Elixir Mentor, if you have any questions or just want to hang out and chat. That link is in the description as well. If you want to learn how to build scalable, production-ready, full-stack, and REST API solutions, hit that subscribe button now. I'm Jacob Blitzo, your Elixir mentor. See you in the next video.